Hi! Google Chrome's History menu has many features that you should be using regularly to boost your productivity. Let's get into my super clear demonstration of these features. To access Google Chrome's History menu, you can go up to the top right of your screen and click on the ... and down to History, and History will automatically open up to the left. To view the full history, left click on History, and there we go. We can see all of your search history here. A faster way to get into your history menu is to press CTRL+H, and there you go. In this menu, you can also search your history. If you can't remember something that you looked up in the past and you want to find it again, maybe you know it was on, the BBC News channel, and here you go. You can look up all of your past search histories here. To search your Chrome history from another device, you go back up to the top right, click ... down to History. Here's what it will look like if you are logged in to Google Chrome on a different device. I love that feature. I can jump between my desktop and my laptop or my cell phone on the subway and immediately pick up where I left off. The last feature I want to talk about is how to open up entire windows from Google Chrome search history. For this example, I have 3 tabs open. Let's say I accidentally closed these, or I turn off my computer, or the computer went through an update, and all of these windows were lost. I can open back up a window, go to the top right, ... down to History, over, Recently Closed, 3 tabs, Restore Window. If I left click on that, all 3 of my links are back here, and I can pick up right where I left off. This video is brought to you by uni-edit English Editing. Uni-edit provides English editing and translation services to Asia's top universities. Please visit the uni-edit website link below for details about uni-edit's English editing services for your research manuscripts.